Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another easy pizza recipe. In this video we are using naan bread because we are not making anything from scratch. We just want an easy meal and keep it moving. So if you are ready, let's get started. So for this recipe, we are using this brand of naan bread. You can use whatever naan bread that you have. So I went ahead and laid my naan bread on the pizza pan, and I'm adding some sauce. So you want to make sure that your naan bread is covered with enough sauce, as you guys can see over here. So one side of my pizza, I am adding some spinach. And the next ingredient I'm going to cover my pizza with is going to be my mozzarella cheese. So this was a block of mozzarella and I sliced it, as you guys can see over here. And then we are going to go ahead and add some pesto sauce. And then now I'm moving on to the other side of my pizza where I'm adding some pepperoni and I'm adding some garlic. And then of course I added some garlic on that side as well. So now we're covering our pizza with mozzarella, as you guys can see, and then added some more pepperoni. So after we're done, we are going to bake this for about 12 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit, and this is how it looks like. Guys, this was my random video. I just randomly was like, oh, what do I have in my fridge? And that's what I had, and I made me a snack, and that's how it looks like. It is so yummy. It was so good, guys. So for every ingredient that I used, if you want to get inspired, I'm going to leave it in the description below. So thank you for watching my channel, for subscribing and commenting, and I will see you next time when I cook. Bye.